Okay, today I'm going to show you one of my very favorite cleaners. It's my essential oil cleaner. You know, when you're cleaning house, you always want to step back and have it smell like you've been cleaning. And you can do it safely and naturally with any fragrance you want when you use essential oils. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to take 3/4 cup of water, and it doesn't have to be any special temperature. We're going to take 1/4 cup of alcohol, regular rubbing alcohol. Put that in. Then you're going to take your dish soap. Any brand you have is fine. Give it a good squirt. There's no right or wrong. Then you get to pick an essential oil. Now I like to go with peppermint, spearmint, orange, or lemon because they have some kind of antimicrobial properties when you're cleaning. So I'm going to put about 20 drops in of my peppermint. I like the peppermint because it gives such a fresh, clean smell. All right, we're ready. Now we'll put that into a labeled spray bottle, and always remember to label your bottles. You don't want to be walking through the house trying to smell every single spray bottle and determine what's in it. All right, once we get that in, before we use it, we're going to give it a good shake. Now, what can you use it on? You can use it on everything. You can use it on marble, you can use it on granite, you can use it on any countertop you have, any surface. And because it's a spray and wipe, all we're going to do is spray it on. We're going to take, I always take a microfiber cloth. You can use paper towels if you want. You can use a different kind of rag. I just always love microfiber. But I want you to take a look at where we've sprayed and wiped. Look at that. And it's so silky. The microfiber almost slides right across it. So again, a great essential oil cleaner for any surface in your home. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.